Let's talk about crawlspace repair in Roswell, Georgia. Crawlspaces can host a large number of conditions that pose a threat to your home and impact the health of your loved ones. Unfortunately, homeowners rarely inspect their crawlspaces. Many tend to explore these unoccupied, narrow spaces between the ground and first floor after water damage. Others will discover they need crawlspace repair following plumbing, electrical, or HVAC issues that require the tradesmen crawling into these spaces. You can stay on top of things by keeping an eye on the potential signs that beg for your attention. If you're wondering what crawlspace repair signs to look for, we have you covered. How to know your crawlspace needs repair. 1. Moisture problems. Crawlspaces are highly susceptible to moisture issues. If you see stagnant water in there, don't turn a blind eye. Water pooling can occur due to leaking pipes, poor drainage systems, hydrostatic pressure, etc. As humidity rises, condensation will occur. The water droplets will sit on the surfaces. When humidity is constantly above 55%, it creates perfect conditions for mold and mildew growth. With nearly 50% of the air in your living spaces coming up through the crawl space, mold spores can find their way into your living spaces. The combination of fungi and excess moisture can also lead to wood rot, weakened floor joist. 2. Sagging floors. If your floor appears saggy, bouncy, uneven, or slopes on one side, it is a sign that it doesn't have the support it needs. It could be that the floor joists are failing, probably because of wood rooting and molding problems. It's imperative to have a professional inspect your home to rule out this is not the cause of the sagging floors. Whatever the underlying cause, keep in mind the problem requires immediate action. Otherwise, you'll be setting your home up for danger. 3. Increased indoor humidity. Have you heard about the stack effect? Warm air naturally rises and leaves your home through the attic, tiny gaps on doors or windows, and upper floors. The movements create a vacuum on the lower floors, pulling up the moist air from the crawl spaces into your home. You will want to call a crawl space repair company if you notice the indoor humidity is higher than outdoor. 4. Termite damage. Termites love moist areas, and decaying wood provides the perfect environment to live and breed. These wood-eating pests may wreak havoc on your home's structural integrity. Termites can create tunnels inside and around the wood structures. They can wear off the protective coatings, exposing the wood to moisture. In other words, termites can also speed up the wood rotting process. Signs of termite damage include hollow wood sounds, wood lying around the floor, mud tubes. 5. Foundation issues. High moisture levels put a lot of stress on your foundation walls, causing cracks. If you don't fix the minor cracks, they can grow wider. Consequently, you may have to deal with a shifting foundation, which could prove more expensive to repair. Not sure whether or not you need crawl space repair? Well, the best course of action is to schedule a professional inspection.